Hello and welcome. In today's lecture, we will discuss some IELTS synonyms. First word is important. Its synonyms are significant, essential, crucial. For example, education is a crucial factor in shaping our nation's future. Next word is big. Synonyms are large, substantial, considerable. For example, the government made a substantial investment in healthcare. Next word is good. Its synonyms are beneficial, positive, advantageous. For example, regular exercise has beneficial effects on health. Word fourth, bad. Synonyms are harmful, detrimental, negative. For example, smoking has detrimental effects on human health. Next word is help. Synonyms are assist, support, facilitate. For example, volunteers assist in community programs. Next word, problem. Synonyms are issue, challenge, obstacle. For example, traffic congestion is a major issue in big cities. Next word is need or require. Its synonyms are demand, necessitate, call for. For example, the situation necessitates immediate action. Next word is show or demonstrate. Its synonyms are illustrate, exhibit, display. For example, the chart illustrates the population growth over the past decade. Next word is change. Its synonyms are alter, transform, and modify. For example, technology has transformed the way we communicate. And the last word is increase or rise. Its synonyms are grow, expand, surge. For example, the number of tourists has surged in the last 5 years. Thank you. Thank you for watching.